Hi students, good morning. This is from Metal Matriculations. I am your English teacher. Today, Tuesday class. Okay, students. First of all, you are sent your attendance status because it's very important. It's very must. Okay, students. So, first of all, you put in your attendance after come and see the class or attend the class. Okay, students. Today we all see what? Yes, today we all see 7th standard English. Okay, today we all see 7th standard English. Okay, student. First of all of you, how are you? Are you study or not in your home side? It cannot study mean, but now you are study and prepare well. Okay, it is very important. Okay, students. First of all of you eat or not? Okay, you cannot eat mean. First of all, you go to eat in your food after come and see this video or you attend the classes. Okay, students. Today we all see the topic name is what? Yes, wait students. Yes, the topic name is Idgah. Okay, unit 1 Idgah prose. Okay, students. Last day what all the happenings we all see? Yes, this all the happening already we are see, yeah, correct. Yes, guys, last day we all see suffix and prefix, and then yes, last day we all see language checkpoint. Correct, good. That's right, goodbye. Yes, language checkpoint we are see. Correct. Next we are see what are the happening. See, just listening point. Yes, listening also. Last week we are see, yes, yeah, already we are see the listening point also. Okay, next we are see speaking. I mean language checkpoint, listening, speaking. Then what we are see? Yes, pictogrammar also we are. Last time we saw the pictogrammar. Yes, already you are prepared or not? You cannot prepare now. You are prepared. I mean, you attend the class after you go to prepare this. This happens. Okay. Next, what we see? Yes, use the grammar also. Yes, correct. Good. Yes, today what we see mean. You have a question. See here. Yes, good. Today we all see writing. Yes, boys. Today we all see writing. Okay, good. Any idea about this portion? Yes, writing means they are given to the picture. Now we are making to the sentence. So now we are see writing also here. They are mentioned this picture. It is one of the pen. So now we are all fill it. Okay. So they are given to it. Okay. First of all, writing. Describe the what contents. Okay, so today class writing section. Okay, so describe the contents family in about 16 words using the pictures and clues given. One is alone for you. Okay, done for you. I mean, describe the contents. What? Describe the contents family in about 60 words using the pictures and clues given. One is done for you. Once again, describe contents family in about 60 words using the pictures and clues given. One is done for you. Okay, you see the bus box also here. See, one grandfather also here, one grandmother also here. Yes, they are mentioned. Thin and tall, 17 years old. What? Affectionate. Okay, it is one of the old men. So they are mentioned thin and tall, 17 years old, affectionate. Okay, it is he's one of the old men. So how many box also here? Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 boxes of balance are here. So we are filling these 5 boxes. Okay, already they are mentioned some clues of these boxes also here. Okay, what is that? Kandan's grandfather. Kandan also one of the grandfather. You see the picture. It is Kandan. Kandan's grandfather is thin and tall. I said thin and tall. He is 70 years old because of his grandfather age is 70. Okay, so they are mentioned 70 years old. He is affectionate. So they are mentioned thin and tall, 17 years old, affectionate. Okay, Kantan's one second. Kantan's grandfather. Kantan's grandfather means Kantan's grandfather. Okay, it is grandfather. Okay, Kantan's grandfather is thin and tall. He is 70 years old. He is affectionate. Okay, okay. You see next this box. We have completed this box. Any idea about this box? Okay. Who is it? Yes, it is this picture. You see the picture? Yes, it is grandfather. Sorry, grandmother. Okay. One woman photo also here. Right. Okay. Okay. How to film in? See, short fate wears what? Glasses sweets. Okay. They are given to some words. We are all use these words and we are make one sentences. Okay. Okay. Now I make it. Okay, just listen. Now I make it. Just watch it. Okay, clear? Okay, students. Now I mark. Just listen. Condense. Okay, just condense. Here is not a problem. Okay. Glasses also here. Okay. Okay. Now I completed the words. Okay. See here. Content's grandmother. Okay. Content's grandmother. Fate. Okay. It means by her fate. Okay. She wears glass. She likes to eat sweets. Okay, he like to eat because of grandmother like to sweets. Okay, always eat to the sweets to her. Okay, they are mentioned. Okay, students, are you clear? So now I completed one box is also here. Okay, now I can complete that second box. I mean next box is also here. So now I complete the second box. What? Football player. I mean they are one of the football. Okay, football players loves his brother's blue. He's the brother. He's the one of the football player. So the brothers also like to what? One of the lovable brothers. Okay, right. How to make a sentence means you see the content. I will take the content's name. You see here, Kandan's elder brother, what? Is a football player. See, Kandan's elder brother is a football player. He loves his brother. What? Yes, his HAS. Okay, his favorite colors blue. Okay, now I make a sentence. Just you like anyone, you make a sentence also here. Okay, are you clear? Is clear means not a problem. Okay, students. Next, you see third one. See here. One picture also here. That is what mean. Youngest big eyes like this pink. Youngest big eyes likes pink. Okay, they are mentions. Some sentence also here. So now I make it. Just you like to make it. So condense. Now it condense. Okay, now we can finish the words. Okay, Kandan's younger sister has big eyes. She likes pink color. Okay, because of her dress also pink. I mean her cloth also pink color. Her shoe also pink color. So now I use pink color. Okay, Kandan's youngest sister has big eyes. See the big eyes. Okay. She likes pink color. Okay, she likes pink color. So now I mentioned pink color. Okay, just you write. Okay, students. Next you see this box also here. Okay, how to make this box? I mean, okay, see the two pupils also here. Okay, see the words: tall, hardworking, beard winners. Okay, this also here. How to make sentence? Just I make is I mean make I make. Okay, I mean make it. Okay, students. Now we continue. I mean, now we complete the words. Okay. Now we continue. I mean, read. Okay. Kandan's father is tall and hardworking. Tall and WORKING. Okay. Hardworking. He is the breadwinners of the family. Okay. Clear, students? Okay. Clear means not a problem. Again, one box also balance of here. Just write here. Okay. Just listen. Are you clear? Clear means once again you reply to this video. Okay. or pause this video and just read. Easily you are understood. Okay. Okay, students. Next, now write kind hobby painting. Kind hobby painting, because of they are like to the painting, so they are mentioned kind hobby painting because of the lines also here. So I skip and read the words. Okay. Okay, students. First of all, now right here, just listen. Contents. Because of always we are using contents. Okay. So now contents. Mother. Because she is mother, she is Kandan. I mean, it is Kandan. Okay, students. Now we finish the word. Just I read the words. Kandan's mother is a kind woman. Her hobby HABBY. Okay, HABBY. Her hobby is painting. Okay, Kandan's mother is a kind woman. Her hobby is painting. Okay, because her mother's also liking to the painting. Okay. Okay, students. Okay, are you clear? Clear means not a problem. Okay. Okay, next what we see. Yes. Okay, students. Next you see option M. Read the telephonic conversations between Malar and Selvi. Because of their mentions, Malar and Selvi, one of the character. Okay. Malar needed to leave a message for her father, because Malar also writing to the letter to her father. Okay, so they are mentioned. Okay, one second. Read the telephonic conversation between Malar and Selvi. Malar needs to leave a message for her father. Okay, her father. Right. You see, Malar, Selvi, two characters also what communicate here. Okay, first of all, Malar also speak. Hello, my name is Malar. Because he's hello, my name is Malar. Could I talk to Mr. Ra? Please, I'm his college, Mr. Viswanath's daughter. She's speaking Malar. Okay. Next, Selvi also speak with her. I'm sorry, my father is out for his morning walk. Because Selvi also tell. Do you want to leave a message for him? Do you want to leave a message for him? Okay, Malar also replied, okay, to her. Yes, please. My father had to leave for Madurai. All of you sudden since my grandfather is ill. Because of ill means her father's of, because of he's one of the patient, like that patient, because of problem of one. Okay, ill mean problem, like that. For example, cold attack, fever. Okay, Malar also tell, yes, please. My father had to leave for Madurai all of sudden since my grandmother is ill because her grandfather also illness, so they are go to Madurai. Okay, so he won't be able to come to work for a few days. Few days come to work, his father. Okay, it would be really nice if your father could inform office. Okay, as Selvi also replied to Mallar, said, don't worry, I leave the message for my father. Mallar also replied, thanks a lot, thanks a lot. Okay, Selvi also replied, sure, welcome. Okay, 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 students. Now we are making to the letter because of they are mentioned to the conversation, So see here, what? Yes, this is the message that Selvi left for her father's the previous day. Right? Yes, similar message based on her conversation with Muller. Okay. Where make it to the date, So I make a date what? Okay, I make a date for example. Okay, for example, I put the date. For example, I put the date. Any one date you put it. It's not a problem. Okay, any one date you put it. It's not a problem. Okay, this is the message that Selvi left for her father's the previous day. Write a similar message based on her conversation with Mallar. The date is 10. It is 10. Okay, 10/8/21 date. Just I mentioned. The time is 4:30 p.m. time. Okay, they are mentioned. For example, they are mentioned. Not I mentioned date only. I mentioned. Okay. They write a letters. Dear Papa, dear Papa, I have my music class at 5 o'clock p.m. p.m. in post medium. So I am leaving now. Okay, I will prepared tea and samosa and keep it in the kitchen. Please come and pick. 1 second, because of some problem of screen. Okay, 1 second, I read. I have my music class at 5 p.m. I mean post meridian, so I am leaving now. I prepared tea and samosa. Are you like samosa? So I am also like samosa. Yeah. Samosa and kept it in the kitchen. Please come and pick me up at 7 p.m. Okay, they are mentioned to the for example of this letter. Okay, we are mentioned to the letter. Okay, how to make a letter? Just listen here. Okay, students, are you here? Okay, now I put the date. First of all, now we put the date. Okay, date is what mean? Same date I mentioned is not a problem. Okay, you put in your date, any date is not a problem. Now I mentions 10/21 also. Okay. 10/8/21. Now I write here time with them. Okay, 1:30 I mentioned. Okay, 1:30. For example, okay, for example, 1:30 p.m. Okay, 1:30 p.m. Right here. Okay, just listen. Now I make a letter. Dear Papa. Papa mean her father. Okay, her father. Papa mean her father. Clear? Okay, just listen. Because now I write 1:30, so now I mentions 1:30. Okay. Already they are mentioned Vishwanath. You know, see here Vishwanath. Yes. Okay. Okay. Again, I write Vishwanath. Okay. Vishwanath. Okay. Once again, I write Vishwanath. Okay, students. Cannot space here, so I'm gonna write here, students. Okay. In our right. inform this to your office. Okay, just your mention hobby state also here. Okay students, just you have put the signature to here, so I don't write here. Okay, okay students. Okay students, see, dear papa means what? Yes, her father. Okay, dear papa means her father. I have my music class at 1:30 p.m. so I am leaving now your college. Okay, Mr. Vishwanath. Vishwanath means her father. Okay. Vishwanath, daughter spoke to me. Mr. Vishwanath has to leave her. What? Leave her? Yes, Madurai. Madurai all at a certain as his father is ill, so he won't be able to come to work. Okay, yeah, yes, for a few days please inform to your office. So they are mentioned to the letters. Okay, this is one of the type of letter you make type of weight. Okay, cannot mean you cannot clear mean, just pause the video, just zoom and try to make a letter in one letter. It's not any one letter is not a problem, just model of this letter. Okay, are you clear students? Okay, clear means not a problem. See you, bye bye. I see you next classes. Bye bye.